In this video, let me show you how to download any picture from Instagram to your computer. Hello everyone, this is Quick Helper. So let's get started. First, we need to go to Instagram.com. We don't have to be logged in. We just need to find a picture we want to download. This can be from your feed or any Instagram profile. Next, find the image you want to download. If you try to download it by right-clicking, you'll see here there's no option to download the image directly. You might see Save As, but that will download it as a web page. Now right-click on the image and select Inspect. As you move your mouse over the HTML code, different areas of the page will be highlighted. Look for a highlighted area called Div Class with a little arrow above it. Click the arrow to expand it, and you'll see some URLs. Next, hover over these URLs until you find the image you want to download. Right-click that URL and select Open a new tab. Now right-click the image in the new tab. Select Save Images As. You can now save the image as a JPEG to your computer. And there you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.